Hello and welcome to this quick tip video. My name is Dave Karn and I'm going to take you through a simple exercise that will help you learn debit and credit balance rules in a short period of time. Okay, I think probably one of the most important components of the course and really your success in the course is learning your debit and credit balance rules as soon as you possibly can and really committing them to memory. So if you think back to the lecture video that you watched, recall that assets, withdrawals, and expenses, AWE, all have debit balances, and that capital, liabilities, and revenues all have credit balances. So what we're going to be able to do is go through a simple note card exercise that will really help you learn these account rules in no time and kind of break it down by each account. So let's see how this works. You'll need 20 note cards because you're going to make note cards for each of these accounts that are shown. And what you want to do is complete each step that I show you for each note card. And then when you're done, you'll be able to mix them up and then quiz yourself, hopefully 5 times a day at the minimum, so that you can get these rules down in a short period of time. So how do you make a note card? Step 1, what you want to do is you want to write the name of the account on one side of the note card as shown. In this particular case, I'm preparing the cash note card as an example. What you then want to do on the opposite side of the note card is to write the information in a T account format. So we know debit always has to be on the left side of the T account and credit has to be on the right side. We just have to determine whether or not this is going to either increase or decrease the debit and credit side. So remember that cash is an asset. So assets, withdrawals, and expenses all have debit balances. So we know the balance has to appear on the debit side and is increased on the debit side and would decrease on the credit side. In the top right corner for step 3, what you want to do is to classify the account as asset, liability, or owner's equity. We know again cash is an asset, so we just write asset in the top corner. So what you want to do is create a note card for all remaining 19 accounts as I've described here. Once you do that, you're all done. You can quiz yourself. You want to keep your stack of note cards with you throughout the course or session because we definitely will be adding new accounts as we go along. I have also left you here with a CLR example, capital, liabilities, revenue example, accounts payable. Well, accounts payable is a liability, so you can see that it would have a credit balance and it'd be increased on the credit side and decreased on the debit side. So get to making those note cards. Hopefully you'll get these rules down. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email. Look forward to seeing how you do with this.